Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can put videos in OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is open File Explorer. So in order to do that, you might find it here in your desktop, or if you don't find it, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open, and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on OneDrive. Then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open in a new window, and so on. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to always keep it on this device, free up space, and lastly, right here, you're going to find OneDrive. Click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find the option to view it online. Here you're going to find settings, and lastly, right here, you're going to find folder color. So basically, guys, right now, what you need to do, guys, is click on View Online. And then this will take you to this page on the web. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. My files, recent, photos, shared, and lastly, here you're going to find the recycle bin. Go ahead and click on My Files. And then once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your files. So right now, if you want to put videos in OneDrive, click on Add New. And then here you're going to find folder, files, upload, folder, upload, and so on. Click on Files, Upload, and then go to the video you want to upload. So for example, I'm going to go to this folder right here, and I'm going to upload this video. So right now, as you can see, guys, the video is uploading. So just wait for it to finish uploading. And right now, as you can see, guys, the video has been uploaded. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.